Good morning. Uh, Good morning. I'm here to check in for my flight to Frankfurt today.
Good morning. Sure, no problem at all. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Just a second. I know it's here somewhere. Okay, here it is.
Thank you very much. All right. And could I also have your booking number, please?
Yes, let me think. I wrote it down. Okay, I have it now. It's TX947B.
TX947B. Thank you. Just a moment while I check that.
Sure, no problem.
I'm sorry, but I don't see your booking in the system.
Oh, really? That's strange. I'm sure I booked this flight weeks ago. I remember doing it at home.
I understand. That can be confusing. Sometimes there are system problems. Let's take another look.
Okay. I was a little worried something like this might happen.
Do you have your email confirmation with you?
Yes, I do. It should be on my phone. Let me check. Sorry, I have a lot of emails.
That's okay. Take your time.
All right. Okay, I think this is it. Yes, this one. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please. That would help.
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay. I see your name here. And I see the flight details.
So, is everything okay?
Well, I can see what happened now.
Oh, what happened?
It looks like your booking was canceled because of a payment problem.
Oh no, really? I didn't know that at all. I never got a message about it.
Yes, I understand. That can be frustrating.
Yeah, it really is. So, what can I do now? I really must travel today. It's very important.
I see. Let me check the flight again and see what options we have. Just one moment, please.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. Let me see.
Okay.
I have some good news for you.
Oh, really?
Yes, we actually have one seat left on the flight today.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's really good to hear.
Would you like to take that seat?
Yes, absolutely. I'll take it. Thank you so much.
All right, I'll book that seat for you now.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help. I was starting to feel very stressed.
You're welcome. I understand how stressful travel can be.
Yes, especially in the morning.
Okay, everything is done now.
That's a big relief. Thank you again for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice flight to Frankfurt.
Thank you. I will. Have a nice day.